Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today's vlog is about my dinner in Bayuki Restaurant. So abangan nyo yung mamaya guys, yung dinner ko na nasa tuktok ng pinakamataas na building dito sa Bangkok. So, ang tagal-tagal ko tong binook talaga. Kasi, nung nag-reopen na siya, before lockdown, um, 2,300 baht ang price niya per head. So, noong June, nakita ko na almost 60% sila. So, nag-grab ako ulit, kumuha kaagad ako ng ticket para makapag-dinner sa tuktok ng building na yon. So, abangan nyo mamaya guys. Sana mag-enjoy kayo gaya ko. So, hello guys! So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Bayuki Tower, Sky Tower. So, sa ngayon nandito ako sa 83 floor. So, hindi pa. Yung start ng dinner ko is 5 p.m. So, napaaga ang ko. Punta ko dito. So, mag-iikot muna tayo dito sa 83 floor. So, yung dinner ko is sa 81 floor. So ngayon, mag-iikot muna ako. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view over Bangkok. So, come on, join me guys.
Hold me close in your arms. Kiss me slow in the dark. Let's stop time, make it ours. Life's too short, let's leave a mark. We don't know how it goes, how the story unfolds. You say life is not what it seems. We could wake up like it's all just a dream. Tell me, baby, will you think about me when I'm gone? Fill my grave with roses, pretty words, and all my songs. I don't think about it often. I don't wanna be forgotten when we say goodbye. Keep my words alive. Let my voice heal your heart. Love my soul like it's art. Why are we worth more after we depart? You say life is not what it seems. We could wake up like it's all just a dream. Tell me, baby, will you think about me when I'm gone? Fill my grave with roses, pretty words, and all my songs. I don't think about it often. I don't wanna be forgotten when we say goodbye. Keep my words alive.
Heavy clouds in summer got caught in the rain. I'm waiting for your love, waiting for your love with the back of the line again. Say you're into me, to hear it is all I need. I'm waiting patiently, but if I'm not what you want, set me free. You got me going out my mind. This ain't nothing like I was dreaming of. You know you're running out of time, 'cause I'm out here waiting for your love. I'm waiting for your love. We collide like thunder. I shine bright through the pain. I'm waiting for your love, waiting for your love, where the storm comes alive again. Say you're into me, to hear it is all I need. I'm waiting patiently, but if I'm not what you want, set me free. You got me going out my mind. This ain't nothing like I was dreaming of. You know you're running out of time, 'cause I'm out here waiting for your love. I'm waiting for your love.
So guys, andito na ako. Ayun, babalik na ako sa 83 Court. Tapos ko nang naikot. Ayun.
เรียนเชิญได้เลยนะครับคุณลูกค้าอินเฮ้าส์ที่พักที่นี่นะครับที่จองมาห้องอาหารชั้น81มีไหมครับคุณลูกค้าที่จองที่พักที่นี่นะครับจองห้องอาหารชั้น81มีไหมครับถ้าไม่มีกระผมขออนุญาตทยอยได้คิวคุณลูกค้าบัตรคิวสีน้ำเงินนะครับบัตรคิวสีน้ำเงินคิวที่1ถึงคิวที่5เรียนเชิญทางด้านนี้ได้เลยนะครับบัตรคิวสีน้ำ
dito na tayo, kakain na tayo. So, ito yung kinuha ko. Kasi buffet siya. Ayun. So, for the starter muna, ito muna. Then later na tayo rest back. Anyway, 2 hours kasi 5 to 7 pwede kakain dito. So guys, ano na mangyayari sa akin pag ganun? 2 hours ako kakain. Oh my God. Lulubo talaga ako pag ganun. Oh, kapin ka. Ayun. This one. So I have 2 hours na kakain. So kung kakain ako ng 2 hours, maybe 1 month hindi na ako kakain. Kasi makikita niyo siguro budang-buda na ako. So enjoy muna. Okay? Yeah, kain tayo. Steam lang to guys. Ayan. Sarap. So, tapos ka na. Hindi ko siya ma-open so hindi ko yung kain. Yan. Tapos ko na rin. So, tabi natin yan kasi marami ko pagkain. Makakain natin lahat. Ayun sa ngayon, ito. Wasabi. First time tayo mukbang. Hala na, nagbayad ako eh. Kaya titikman ko lahat. Total, hindi na sila nakakilala sa akin. Mamaya, kukuha na naman ito. Then, hindi ako nag-order nito. Pero yung natira na ako, guys. Ayan o. Steak. So, hindi tayo mag-chopstick.
fake milk, masarap pa. Kayo.
Ayan. And
Ayun. So, hanggang third round lang tayo. Mamaya, bumukbang natin to. So, magsusurrender na ako kasi first round pa lang, busog na ako. So, dahan-dahan na kasi hanggang 7 pa naman tayo eh. So, ngayon, nasa 5:30 pa lang. So, naka 2 rounds na. Oh my God! Ayun. So, pero nag-enjoy ako. Bahala na. Bahala na tataba. I don't care for now. Ayun. Mayroon pa akong hihintayin. Yung smoked salmon. Ayun. Natapos ako ng 6 o'clock. Ayokong magstay longer kasi baka, oh my God, wala, hindi ko alam kung ano nang mangyayari sa akin. But anyway, ang galing, ang ganda. The food is really great. Ang sarap. Then, pagbaba ko dito sa lobby, then, yung mga staff nag-aabang, sabi nila, you want more free? And they're going to give me this one, coffee latte. So, it's really great. And then, yeah. So, ang ganda. Ang experience ko talaga as in here in Bayuki Tower. Sky Tower is really good. Good ambience. The staff is really accommodating. Then, the place is very nice. So, guys, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Bangkok, huwag kayong uuwi na hindi kayo mag-visit dito sa Bayuki Sky Tower. So, ayun. uuwi na tayo. Para makapagpahinga kasi tomorrow mag-start na ako ng work. So, after 5 days vacation, so back to work again. Ayun, so hopefully, so abangan nyo kay September, mayroon na naman akong ibang tour sa Krabi. So, yan. So, for now, bye-bye and thank you so much everyone.